Hi guys, good morning. Nandito pala kami sa school ngayon ng mga bagets dahil tumawag po ang school kasi may nangyayari daw kay Gabriel. Kaya kinabahan naman ako. But anyway, hindi naman too bad talaga. Kaninang morning kasi guys, pag ayos ko sa kanya, actually hindi, yung madaling araw pa, siguro like mga 4 AM, gumising siya kasi parang nasusuka siya. So yes, and yes, he did puke, nagsuka nga siya. And yeah, while I'm changing him for school earlier, ayun na nga, parang gusto na naman niya ulit sumuka and parang wala siya sa mood. So right now the school called na nagsuka na naman daw si Gabriel, so hopefully he's fine guys. Kasi may times talaga yung batang yan, may iniisip nga lang siya, for example, magbabrush ng teeth. Parang na siyang nasusuka guys. Or kakain ng parang hindi niya gusto. So parang na siyang magsusuka. Yan ang ano ng bata. And tapos meron kasi siyang mga plem konti and he don't know how to spit it out. So kaya hopefully he is okay lang. Yung asawa ko pumunta doon sa loob, sa office, kasi andun si Gabriel nag-aantay. So he is off for today, Thursday and Friday guys. Keep him home kasi syempre dito kasi guys kapag ang anak mo may sakit, wag mong dalhin sa school, basically ganyan. Kasi or else ma-spread yung sakit na yan, ano man yan, like ubo man yan, sipon man yan, whatever, may spread yan sa ibang bata. So might as well keep your kids home, 'di ba? Pero kasi sa amin wala naman kasing ano si Gabriel, he is totally fine. It's just that part na puking na alam niyo na. But anyway, yes, so after dito, me and my husband talk about going to the store. So I think that's perfect timing na si Gabriel makuha din namin para makakain kami doon sa favorite place namin, yung W Spoon guys. Here they are. Ayan sila. Hello my boy. How are you my boy? Did you puke over there, they said? Huh? Oh, it's okay. You're fine.
Yeah, he picked a little bit.
And then you're off tomorrow as well, okay?
Yep.
See, okay lang naman siya. Parang hindi naman masama yung ano talaga niya. I love you. Hello you guys. Nakaligo na ako. Nakalagay na din ako ng morning ano ko. So, mag-eyebrows tayo guys. By the way, update kay Gabriel. He's fine guys. Thank you Lord. He's fine. It's just he got that little thing na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na talagang pag may mga bagay na siguro na-imagine niya, I don't know. Tapos para na yan siyang magsusuka-suka guys. But I think yeah, something really going on or whatever, upset stomach siguro guys, kasi nagsuka-suka naman siya. So, but ngayon, nagre-relax na lang siya dyan sa bed, katabi yung dad niya. Ako, bago lang ako naligo, lulutuan ko muna sila ng kung ano man yung gusto nilang kainin. Charot! Feeling meron talaga yung ingredients. So, patapos ko guys, ayos, magluto muna. 'Di ba? Bago magluto, magayos muna. Magluto muna ako. Kaya I feel really fresh and ready to work. Kaya tayo ng paborito nating serum para sa buhok. Kasi para yung buhok natin guys hindi super dry. Ito pala yung ginagamit ko. Siyempre.
I need help.
Okay. Hindi. Gas tayo ng plato, guys. Anyway, nagto pala ako ngayon ng eto. Nagtuto ako ngayon ng pork. Ayan guys. Dahil siguro i-air fry ko siya mamaya or hindi pa alam, tingnan lang natin mamaya guys. Anyway, so may good news po ako dahil finally na-submit na namin ni asawa ang application ko para nga sa isang bagay na napaka-importante at pinaghahandaan ko guys dahil kailangan namin tong gawin, kailangan ko tong gawin. Isa sa napaka-importanting bagay na dapat kong gawin na sana noon ko pa ginawa, no? So, finally, nasabit na namin ni asawa yung application. Nagbayad na din kami ng fee. And, inaantay ko na lang yung response nila para sa schedule. Ayun. Tapos, I have to really study like crazy, guys. Kasi, like I said, 100 questions ang istudihan mo. So, hopefully, everything will turn out okay. Diba? Time check, it's already 11:44 here. Kumain na ang all. Busog na ang all. Diba guys, sinabi ko kanina, pupunta kami ng store. Hindi kami natuloy kasi inayos ni asawa yung insurance and we have to submit our application. Kaya we decided, mga paperwork na muna ang gagawin namin today. Huwag na lang muna yung store. Kasi we still have some food, some stuff. So, we're still good. You know he's not gonna drink it. But, of course, we have to try to give it to him because...
Diluted apple juice works too.
I think we have one in here that it's not even used, or no?
No.
Dad, I need Takis.
Plain old water is the best way to go, huh?
Dad, I need Takis. That's what I need. The way you sold me for part.
I want to see how he does. I can just run to Walgreens and he gets.
Get me Takis.
Because sometimes when you puke, you dehydrated. But he's not really puking though.
No, he's just acting like puking.
He did a little bit yesterday. He just kind of got, I think, a little bit of like I had, a little stomach going around.
Yeah, just make sure he has water. Di pa po siya tapos. So which one that? Oh, okay. Oh.
Dad said I have to cover them.
Yeah.
Because I have to make them bigger so they have to see.
Well, yeah.
Like I'm presenting in front of the whole entire school.
But still, that's like project for the whole class.
We're not showing the display board.
Yeah, I know.
We're just showing the 3D.
It's alright, just try your best. Pinag-uusapan pala namin kanina si Gabriel guys kasi baka ano siya ba, baka dehydrated siya or ano. Kaya gusto namin siya bilihan ng yung pang ano good na tubig guys na may lasa konti. Ano good tawag yan eh. Basta yung parang ano siya ba, para sa dehydration. So gusto namin siya sana bilihan. Sabi ni asawa mamaya daw konti. Sirbahan lang daw muna. Sana okay lang siya kasi ano. Actually medyo ano siya ngayon guys. Medyo sa Bisaya paluya ba. Pero hindi naman talaga as in. Parang ano lang siya ba. Anyway. Lutuin na po natin ito. Nilagyan ko na ng mga seasoning. Tapos lagyan ko na lang ito mamaya ng kamatis, sibuyas. Para ano ba? Para may ano-ano din. Magluto na lang ako ng rice guys. Para hindi bitin mamaya ba. Tapos kung naririnig nyo yan, popcorn po yan. Gawa tayo ng popcorn. He's fine? Han? What is he doing? What is he? Huh?
Playing the computer. I mean, you probably don't feel 100%, but I don't think he's too bad. Maybe a little bit of upset stomach. Give him some like rice and crackers, you know what I mean?
Tada! Ito na yung popcorn, guys. Alam nyo, masarap to, kettle corn. Tapos, ano siya, guys, masarap siya and tingnan nyo, mabilis lang siya maluto. It's like less than 3 minutes. Luto na po siya. That's the good thing. So, ayun, nag-aalala si asawa kay Gabriel kasi nga, nag-puke naman siya kanina. Pero, hindi siya nagda-diarrhea, guys. No diarrhea, so, obserbahan namin siya kasi kapag matamlay pa rin siya or suka ng suka, baka dalhin na namin siya para mapacheck up siya. What you said?
Huh?
What did you say?
I said I'll come back and I'll go in there and lay with them in there. Watch TV in there.
It's fine. I'm almost done with my kuan thing. Alright? Tabihan ko muna siya doon, guys. Dalahin natin ang popcorn. Pero pakainin ko siya ng yogurt. Hindi popcorn.
Short.
Oh yes, we see that.
And I want those fruit smiles. You guys want to know how me and Mom try to get it?
You don't like the other one?
I do, it's just not.
Yeah, the other one, because that's so high. You're gonna fall. I'm afraid you're gonna fall.
I have to put this away.
Ganito na yogurt, guys. Bigay natin. Palubat ako. Yung ating air fryer kanina pa ba? Dan. Ay, okay na ata yan, guys. Wait. Yan, i-off na muna natin. Okay na. Buti na lang, I check it. Ready to, ano na. Pwede na to. Gawa na lang ako mamaya ng sausawan. Yes, lutong-luto na to, guys. Oh yes, luto na to. Kenzo is doing his homework right now. Say hi.
Hi.
But no phone though while doing homework, right? Alright. Low ba tayo, guys? Change tayo battery. Guys, luto na po ang ano ni asawa. Kanyang pagkain. Ito lang, guys. Simplihan lang kasi ano, baka ma-shock na naman yung stomach niya. By the way, ito yung paborito namin na sauce. This is really good sauce, guys. Sana noon. Sus, na-over naman to sa pag-heat. Uy. Ayan. Pinakain ko pala kanina si Gabriel ng yogurt. So, sabi ni asawa, pakainin ko daw ng rice. Yung bagong luto na rice na ano ba. Meron naman akong niluto na rice, guys. Actually, malapit na siyang maluto. Matapos. So, bigyan natin si Gabriel. Kahit konti lang ba. At least makakain siya kahit konti. Tandaan! Simple burger for asawa. Kasi ito, itapon na natin. How you feeling, Gabe?
Good.
Good? Guys, nagkakain yan siya ng dinner ngayon. I just gave him rice. And
I need to escape out of here.
he's okay, guys. Thank
Can we
God.
hide it here?
Just sometimes he feel like puking. What?
Can we hide over here?
What are you doing? Yan lang nagpapasaya sa kanya. Charot.
Maybe because I put that icy hot, it made me feel
Feel better, my love? So you want icy hot tonight? With some... No?
I want icy hot in my back.
Okay, I'll put icy hot in a little bit. Let me finish feeding the baby. Relax lang yan si Gabriel, guys. Tingnan niyo yung cheeks niya, guys. Red. He's okay. Thank you, Lord.
Oh no. I need to out the box.
Hi, guys. Time check. It's already alas 8 na dito sa amin, guys. So, nagre-relax na ang all. Ako na lang. Tatapusin ko itong ginagawa ko na maghugas ng plato. Ng anak ko. Teacher ni Gabriel. Kasi, yung nga nangyari kay Gabriel, diba? So, the school has to call us. They have to call us kasi to let us know na we need to pick him up. Ganito, ganyan ang nangyari. So, ang teacher ngayon, nag-text na, kumusta daw si Gabriel, ganon. So, na-appreciate mo yung teacher na ganyan. Kasi, bihira lang yung ganyan. Especially dito, guys. Anyway, yeah, kasi by the way, half Filipino siya. Half Filipino. I forgot kung ano pa yung half niya. Basta half Filipino siya. We had a talk already. Okay lang naman siya. We just observing him right now. He's feeling fine. Ganito, ganyan. Meron lang siyang konting pasuka-suka effect, ganun. But anyway, so yeah, sabi niya, get well soon, and then whole class misses him daw, ganito. Kasi, kailangan ni Gabriel, like sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, nung umaga, kailangan niya mag-rest ng 2 days. So, he's off, and he is absent for 2 days, guys. Speaking of Gabriel, he's right there with his kuya. So, yep. Andun siya, guys. Nakikipagbanding sa kuya niya. You miss your bro? Huh? You love your bro?
Mama.
Mama, what?
I need to talk to my tablet because it's tennis and...
Really? Can't. Sige na, kuya.
No, mommy. It 8 cents.
Okay, we'll charge it. Kuya, sige na. And get those because I need to broom the room, this room real quick.
Okay.
And also the other sleeper, alright? And brush your teeth too. Kasi magwalis muna akong saglit, guys. But anyway, yun lang muna for today. Tapusin ko lang ang aking trabaho. We have to put all this stuff away.